Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim.
Victoria Businge Rusoke uri Minister w'ihanga ahabwa government zebyanga kandi wabajwe regional dasimwe yashaba besimbereho nkaba independence wanyuma yo kugwa karuru mu NRM primaries okurwa mu karuru kandi bakakwatanisa n'aba bakwatire NRM bendera nukwe batandike kuronda karuru.
Your colleague was still following up this, please take it up. And when we show a good spirit, the Lord will reward us abundantly. But even the flag bearers also, don't be provocative. I was in Mugusu, my sub-county, and the independent said, I'm coming back because she's very provocative. They were relatives. She's very provocative. Say, but I sorted them out.
Muntu akuba na yendera kemo nanka ekitebe abandi bakarora nti bagwire nagenda narabarabamo narora nabarabara nagamba kinu kambanze nkireke ndayemera next time ati ntwesengereza abo abaraba bemerire nka independence barugeyo bakoleki batanike kukora obururu bwa nabagenzi babo.
Businge yarabura bamwe ahabantu aba NRM abagumize mbakaho bushagici abantu abesimireho nkaba independence omihande etali yemwe nemwe.
Is encouraging us to concentrate on flag bearers because their accusations, there is physical evidence, vivid evidence that some of us are still rallying behind independence. True or false? True or false? Now, if we are doing that, are we loyal to the party? No. To an extent of some of us, seconding, escorting, financing, recommending, and signing for the nominations of those flag bearers. Everything is in black and white.
Abebembezi nibagira ngo hariho cyetengo eco kwatanisiza hamwe babane bende kibina cyabe cha NRM hamwe na nabesimbireho okubasa kusinga karuru akomwako guru kwija.
Twayecho kesojo twagamba hati ekyakwene kitaribanza NRM niyo NRM yenyine mukaruka twarugire mu ka primaries harimo abarugire mu batayiri harimo abasingirwe obundi bantu bantera ngo bakubira batungira obururu bwingi n'obuntu obuzubuzubu obwari buri muntu ntubumanyira mukaruru kana akusuka muguha ku line nebindi bete tugambire bigwa munju twabisweka ntwiremo nabagenzi banga abandi ngo tugende tumobilizing kandi tukonsiring aba NRM.
Abebembezi bashobora bimwe habintu government ya NRM ekozere
nsima na masomero agabire elevated and rehabilitated like Mpanga Secondary School tungire isomero ya Kahinju
hariho bintu bya talabanizaga bya bitakozero mbwira bwenyema bitwate bikozero for example nka Binyangabo nosanga hagombori 15 gombori 12 13 zine hele center 3 emeruka 5 emeruka na musanzu ina masomero ga primary.
Urukiko rwaho abarukuraganisa kurondera mukuru w'ihanga karuru ubwo abari mbyangebi okutandikana rwa kanoro gasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki ahabwa Tayari West.